An electric skillet is just like the regular frying pan that you use on stovetops, except for the fact that it is more convenient and is packed with more features. Electric skillets help to cook your favorite meals using just a single power outlet. These new fry pans are suitable for preparing on the lowest settings, which can keep your food warm. For starters, an electric skillet works wonders when you live in a compact apartment with little or no kitchen space. Excellent quality electric skillets also have accurate temperature control, so if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. We are starting our list with the Elite Platinum EG6203. It comes with a 3.15-inch depth and 13 by 16-inch cooking surface, and this electric skillet gives you jumbo-sized capacity that can make a variety of meals in just one pan without splatters. Also, it is constructed with a heavy-duty marbled non-stick coating with stone finish, and the skillet provides you with durable non-stick performance. The superior M-shaped embedded cast-in heating elements offer quick and consistent heat for a variety of cooking options, and the Stay Cool handles remain cool to the touch throughout the cooking cycle. You can use the variable dial control between temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, plus power indicator light. It provides a convenient built-in spout for pouring liquids from skillet that also doubles as a spoon and spatula holder. Another advantage is that its cool touch handles remain relaxed and comfortable to handle. Next up on the list, we have the Rival CKRV-SK11. This unit's non-stick cooking surface helps ensure effortless food release without the need for excess butter or oil. It also provides a side-mounted, removable temperature control probe with settings noted on the dial that offer quick, easy reference. The temperature probe can be removed, which allows the electric skillet to double as an attractive serving piece. With the temperature controller removed, the unit can go in the dishwasher for quick, convenient cleanup at the end of the night. Moreover, its matte black exterior offers sophisticated allure and upscale elegance, which is perfect for that next soiree, dinner party, or holiday gathering. Plus, its generous Stay Cool side handles provide a steady, secure grip, making it a piece of cake to transport from the kitchen counter to the dining room table or buffet and back again. The next product on the list is the DeLonghi BG45. It offers an embedded heating element which guarantees the most efficient and even cooking in the shortest time. The adjustable steam vent holes provide natural steam evaporation. It's easy to clean with dishwasher-safe lid and non-stick skillet base that you can place in the dishwasher for fast and convenient cleaning. You can use the detachable, adjustable thermostat for ideal results. It also tends to heat uniformly at any desired temperature. The cool touch handles allow for smooth movement once cooking is complete. Moreover, it distributes heat evenly for better results due to the fully embedded skillet base heating element. On the other hand, the die-cast aluminum body has a large non-stick cooking surface, perfect for family-sized meals. Up next on the list, we have the Oster CKSTSKFM05. This electric skillet comes with large 16 by a 12-inch cooking surface, and the tempered glass lid helps trap heat and moisture. Also, the cool touch handles provide a steady grip for safe and secure transportation. It has a temperature probe for comfortable temperature setting and adjustment. Besides, It gives a secure fitting tempered glass lid that helps trap in heat and moisture and allows you to monitor your food at a glance. Moreover, to set or adjust the temperature, turn the dial on its user-friendly temperature probe. Other highlights include a sleek, modern look, cool touch side handles for safe transport, and a dishwasher-safe design for quick cleanup. However, this large capacity skillet accommodates a big stir-fry, scrambled eggs for a crowd, or Saturday night burgers. Roast, fry, grill, stew, bake, make casseroles, and more in this Presto 16-inch electric skillet with glass cover 06852. Also, it has luxurious styling and a tempered glass cover that enables it to double as a buffet server when entertaining. The large pan with high sidewalls offers extra cooking and serving capacity for serving more substantial groups. This spacious pan with high sidewalls offers extra cooking and serving capacity for serving more significant groups. It comes with a non-stick surface inside and out for stick-free cooking and ease of cleaning. Moreover, it uses Control Master heat to maintain the desired temperature. With the heat control removed, this skillet is fully immersible, making it simple to clean. On the other hand, it is more efficient to use than a range burner or oven, making it ideal for any kitchen. The Procter Silex 38526 comes with adjustable heat from warm 200 degrees Fahrenheit up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which keeps foods fresh. The non-stick surface and temperature control make cleanup so simple. You can prepare a family-sized meal with a massive 144 square inch cooking surface. Cool touch handles make it easy to carry the skillet from the kitchen to your serving table. You can have an electric skillet with the qualities of reliability, durability, and performance at an affordable price. Plus, it is recommended that you only use wooden or plastic cooking utensils to prolong the life of the non-stick coating. Another advantage is that the glass lid allows you to see the food as it's cooking without lifting the lid and letting heat escape. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Presto 06857. It has a massive cast aluminum base that features a deluxe non-stick surface, inside and out. Also, the skillet pan and cover are dishwasher safe, with the heat control removed. Besides, it has a built-in spout for pouring liquids from skillet that doubles as a spoon and spatula holder when cooking and serving. It offers fold-down handles to detach the skillet pan from the base. Moreover, the tempered glass cover and stay cool handles allow skillet to double as a buffet server. On the other hand, it comes with a Control Master heat control that maintains the desired cooking temperature automatically. Its massive cast aluminum base is virtually warp-proof and saves energy more efficiently than a range burner or oven. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.